Hey, what are you cooking for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making some homemade pasta with a tomato and basil sauce. What do you think?
That sounds delicious. Do you have a favorite recipe for the pasta?
Yes, I like to use a combination of semolina and all-purpose flour to get the perfect texture. And for the sauce, I like to use San Marzano tomatoes and fresh basil.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of work. Do you enjoy cooking?
I love it. Cooking is like a culinary adventure for me. I get to explore different flavors and techniques.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making risotto. It's a labor of love, but the end result is always worth it.
Do you have any food-related memories that stand out to you?
Yes, when I was a kid, my grandmother used to make the most amazing lasagna. I remember the smell of the sauce cooking on the stove and how it filled the whole house.
That sounds amazing. It's incredible how food can bring back memories like that.
Definitely. Food is not just about sustenance. It's about the experience and the memories that come with it.